Man, ever feel like you're grinding every single day, but your bank account still looks at you like, bro, where's the money? It's like you're running on a treadmill, sweating, moving, but going nowhere. We were told credit cards and buy now pay later is just what adults do. But reality check, it's paying for last month's burrito with this month's paycheck. Kinda funny. Until it's not. It got marketed like it's normal, even cool. But real talk. Being in debt is like being a zombie walking around alive, but not really living. You're there, but not free. What if I told you debt isn't just slowing you down, it's literally stealing your future? Every swipe, every loan, it's like handing over pieces of tomorrow you haven't even lived yet. Bills stacking up, friends asking to hang out when you're broke, lying awake before rent hits. That stress? It's heavy. And it doesn't just hit your wallet, it hits your peace. If you stay stuck as a debt zombie, 5 years from now you'll still be here, just older, more tired, with nothing to show. But if you flip the script now, you can become the king of your cash. Today, I'm gonna show you how to go from broke zombie to straight up cash king. What's up, guys? Sam here. Welcome to Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's level up your wallet. Quick note, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for education only, but it can change your whole money game. In this video, you'll get a step-by-step breakdown of baby step 2, real numbers, mistakes to avoid, plus the mindset shift that makes it all click. So in this video, baby step 2, from debt zombie to cash king. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's level up your wallet. Step 1, bro, you gotta face the numbers. You can't fix your money game if you don't even know the score. It's like playing ball blindfolded. You're just guessing. Write it all down: student loans, car payments, credit cards, all of it. Don't round it up, don't sugarcoat it, just be real with the numbers. Yeah, it might sting seeing that number, but trust me, pretending it doesn't exist only makes it worse. Denial is like quicksand, it pulls you down deeper. Imagine this: you stop losing for $100 from every paycheck before you even touch it. Suddenly, that money stays with you, and life feels way lighter. Most people avoid looking at the real number. They just keep swiping cards and saying I'll deal with it later. But later turns into a crash. Fast. Remember what Peter Drucker said: what gets measured gets managed. Once you face the numbers, you finally take the wheel back on your money journey. Alright, step 2 is all about the debt snowball. The goal: crush your debts starting with the smallest one, so you can stack up some quick wins and keep moving. Instead of stressing over the biggest debt, you start small. Knock out something like that $300 credit card bill first. It's like smashing the first enemy. In a video game, when that first debt is gone, you roll the money you were paying into the next one. That's how the snowball gets bigger and faster every time, and every time you win, it feels like leveling up in a game. You've got more power, more confidence, and less weight holding you down. People will say, no, hit the highest interest first. But the truth is, most folks quit before finishing that way. Momentum beats math every single time. Remember what Aristotle said: success breeds success. Each win makes the next one easier, until you're unstoppable. Alright, bro. Step 3 is all about cutting the dead weight. Think of it like dropping a heavy backpack that's slowing you down on a hike. You'll move way faster without it. Here's the play: start cutting stuff that doesn't actually make your life better. Most of the time, we're just paying for habits, not happiness. Check this math: if you cut just $150 a month from food delivery, that's $1,800 in a year. That's literally a whole debt gone, bro. And imagine this: every dollar you cut speeds up your debt-free journey. That means you can say yes to real experiences like trips with the boys, not just another Uber Eats order. Don't fall for the culture lie of treat yourself every time you're bored. You're not treating you, you're treating Visa, bro. Like Warren Buffett said, rich people invest first and spend what's left. Poor people spend first and maybe invest what's left. Don't be that guy. Listen, you can only cut so many lattes and Netflix subs. At some point, the real cheat code is making more cash. Like, imagine pulling in just 300 extra bucks a month. That's $3,600 in a year, boom, one whole debt gone. And it doesn't have to be boring. Flip your hobbies into hustles. Stream your gaming, flip sneakers, tutor online cash while vibbing. Society told us one job is enough. But the truth: most millionaires stack multiple streams like it's normal. Don't overthink it, bro. Even small hustles add up. What matters is starting, not being perfect. Remember this: don't stay small just cause you're scared. Growth starts the second you move. Alright, bro, here's the deal: life throws curveballs. If you don't have a safety net, one little emergency can send you straight back into the debt trap. That's why you stack a $1,000 starter emergency fund. It's like armor that keeps you from swiping that plastic again. Picture this, your car breaks down. But instead of panic, you just pull from your stash. No stress, no swipe. Most people panic and swipe, digging their hole deeper. But you're building that peace of mind muscle. Momentum is everything, bro. Protect it like treasure, cause one setback shouldn't send you back to square one. Like Ben Franklin said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Play smart now. Thank yourself later. Yo, check this step isn't just about money moves. It's about flipping who you are. Going from someone stuck in debt vibes to a dude who doesn't even need it. The average dude in America is carrying like $6,000 on credit cards. But you're flipping the script, you're becoming the guy who breaks that cycle. Imagine walking into a store, grabbing what you need, and not sweating the bill chasing you later. That's real freedom, bro. Old you thought debt was just normal, like everybody does it, knew you? You finally see it for what it is, chains holding you back. You're not just changing your wallet, you're changing your identity. You're leveling up into someone who runs life, not the other way around. Like Warren Buffett said, habits feel light until they're heavy chains. Break them now, and your future self will thank you forever. Yo, listen, every time you crush a money goal, you gotta celebrate it. Don't brush it off like it's nothing, because that's proof you're making progress. It's like leveling up in a video game. Each stage you clear makes you stronger. You just earned bragging rights, and that's fuel for the next level. Don't just move on to the next debt like a robot. Pause, breathe, and enjoy the win. Taking a second to recognize your progress keeps your energy up. It reminds you why you started this journey in the first place. That little break keeps your fire burning when things get tough. Think about it, clearing $5,000 of debt and throwing a $50 pizza party. That's the kind of flex you deserve, and it's totally guilt-free because you earned it. A small celebration doesn't undo your hard work. It reinforces it. You're teaching yourself that discipline and reward can go hand in hand. When you celebrate, you're telling yourself, yo, I can actually do this. That positive reinforcement builds your confidence like nothing else. Each celebration becomes a marker of how far you've come. That's how you build real momentum toward the bigger goal. Skip the celebration and you risk burning out, and trust me, burnout kills the mission. If the process feels like endless grind with no joy, you'll start resenting it. Celebrations inject fun and meaning back into the hustle. Keep it fun, keep it rewarding, and you'll stick with it longer. Remember what Tom Peters said, celebrate what you want to see more of. By rewarding progress, you're training your mind to chase those wins again and again. You're not just becoming debt-free, you're rewiring your habits. Each milestone isn't just a financial victory. It's another step toward unlocking real financial freedom. We went from facing your numbers to snowballing, cutting the dead weight, boosting income, protecting momentum, shifting identity, and celebrating wins. Baby step 2 isn't just about money, it's about freedom, confidence, and building a life you actually control. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with your broke bestie who needs it. Drop in the comments, what's the first debt you're tackling? Let's build a squad of future cash kings. This is Sam, the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Remember, being broke is temporary, but building wealth is forever. I'll see you in the next one.